Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best jewelry boxes on the market, the Emfogo Jewelry Box. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to organize your jewelry collection, you're in the right place. The Emfogo Jewelry Box is designed with both beauty and practicality in mind. Crafted from solid wood with a rustic brown finish, it not only adds a charming farmhouse vibe to your space, but also provides ample storage for all your precious jewelry pieces. Let's talk about its features. This jewelry box features a 4-layer design with various compartments for rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and more. It includes 2 side doors for hanging necklaces and bracelets, which is a thoughtful addition to prevent tangling. Made from 100% natural real wood on the outside and lined with fine linen on the inside. The Emfogo Jewelry Box ensures your valuables are protected from scratches and tarnishes. Its dimensions are 12.6 inches in height, 10.5 inches in width, and 6.3 inches in depth, making it spacious enough to accommodate a sizable collection. In conclusion, the Emfogo Jewelry Box is a top choice for anyone looking to organize their jewelry collection with style and functionality. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a perfect gift, this jewelry box ticks all the boxes. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I've left a link in the description below where you can check out more details and purchase one. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching.